Welcome back, everyone. Today we have an inspiring and heartfelt story about the bond between two famous women, Jessica Simpson and Kim Kardashian. This isn't just about celebrity gossip. It's about how friendship, support, and empowerment can help someone rediscover their strength and self-worth. Jessica Simpson has always been open about the ups and downs of her personal life. From her music career to her reality TV days and her ventures as a successful businesswoman, she has lived much of her life in the spotlight. But behind the glitz and glamour, Jessica has also faced challenges, especially when it comes to relationships and self-confidence. Recently, sources close to the singer and entrepreneur revealed that she has been leaning on none other than Kim Kardashian and her circle of friends for guidance during a tough period. According to insiders, Kim has been there for Jessica as she navigates changes in her marriage and personal life. Kim, who has experienced her own very public divorce and life transitions, has reportedly given Jessica valuable advice, reminding her of her strength and encouraging her to see the value she brings not only to her career but also to her family and to herself as a woman. The Kardashians, often portrayed as a family focused on fashion, business, and fame, also share a lesser-seen side, supporting one another and those close to them. In Jessica's case, Kim's advice wasn't about material success, it was about emotional growth and resilience. She encouraged Jessica to embrace singlehood, if that was the path ahead, not as a loss but as a chance for renewal. Friends say that Jessica admires Kim's confidence and ability to reinvent herself after personal struggles. Over the years, Kim has shown the world how to rise above criticism, rebuild after heartbreak, and remain focused on family and business. Jessica, who has sometimes struggled with confidence and self-image, reportedly finds Kim's perspective incredibly motivating. The two women, though from very different backgrounds, have bonded over shared experiences of motherhood, the pressures of fame, and the desire to stay authentic despite public scrutiny. Jessica has always been known for her honesty. She doesn't shy away from speaking about her insecurities or her battles. Having someone like Kim, who has walked through similar storms, has given her comfort and a sense of reassurance. This new friendship is said to be helping Jessica rediscover her worth and step into a new chapter of her life with renewed energy. She has been spending more time focusing on her children, her business, and her personal happiness rather than dwelling on the negatives of the past. With encouragement from Kim and the supportive circle around her, Jessica is said to feel stronger and more inspired than she has in years. It's a reminder that even celebrities, who seem to have it all, sometimes need a helping hand, a shoulder to lean on, and words of encouragement from someone who truly understands. Fame and fortune don't shield anyone from life's challenges, but genuine friendships can make a world of difference. What's especially heartwarming about this story is that it highlights women uplifting women. Instead of competition, there is compassion. Instead of judgment, there is understanding. For Jessica, being reminded of her worth has been life-changing, and Kim has proven to be more than just a business mogul. She has been a source of strength for a friend in need. As Jessica continues on her journey of self-discovery and healing, many fans are excited to see what's next for her, whether it's new music, more business ventures, or simply embracing life with her kids. And with Kim's guidance and support, it looks like Jessica is finding the courage to move forward with confidence and grace. So, what can we take from this? Whether you're a fan of Jessica Simpson, Kim Kardashian, or neither, the message here is universal. True friends remind you of your worth when you forget it yourself. They help you see the light when you're surrounded by darkness. And sometimes, they give you the strength to keep moving forward when you feel stuck. White medium star, that's the beautiful lesson behind this story of two women who, despite the chaos of fame, have found a way to support and inspire one another. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this story. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share this video with others who might find it inspiring. Your support means the world, and we'll be back soon with more uplifting stories from the world of entertainment and beyond.